Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Marantz receiver. This is an M-CR612 and you need to do a factory reset or a hard reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. Like if this receiver is not working for some reason, if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, if it's not detecting your network, not connecting to Bluetooth, any kind of issues where it's not working right, just wiping everything back to the factory settings and starting over is a good step to get those fixed. The second reason is if you're just setting it up someplace new or whatever and you just want to, get a fresh start, have it forget anything it was connected to and just set it up like a brand new device, we can go ahead and do that. We just need to first access the setup menu, which we can do either by hitting the setup button on the controller or by hitting this input button and toggling down to the setup option and then hit enter on the controller, or just hit the enter button here. Once we do that, we're going to get to this first menu, and again, we're going to toggle through our options. We want to toggle to General. Once we get to General, we're going to hit the Enter button again. Again, we can do this either on the controller or on the machine. Once we get to General, we're going to toggle down, toggle down, toggle down, toggle down to Reset. We'll hit Reset. It'll give us this little warning. All settings are reset to the factory default settings. Once we hit here, it will reset everything, and then you can go ahead and set this up like it's a new device. So let me know if this helped, or if you had any questions. If it did help, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.